Thank you for purchasing the professional equipment for dry ice blasting IC030. Unpacking the IC030. Before unpacking, please check completeness and integrity of packing. Remove the tape. Use Torx 25 to unscrew the wooden box. Pick out the accessories for the blasting device that is a part of the package. Carefully read the attached manual. In case of any questions, please contact the ICS team. Carefully remove the protective film so that you avoid scratching or damaging the device. Please do not use a knife. Remove the fixing element, anchor. Remove the film from the handle and attach the handle to the blasting device by means of the enclosed bolts. Slightly incline the machine towards you by means of the stop and attached handle, and put it down from the pallet. Dispose of the packing material in an ecological way. Connect the terminal of the supply cable, blue, and turn it clockwise until it snaps. Insert the terminal into the corresponding socket. Connect the hose for compressed air by means of the cross-coupling so that you turn the hose coupling clockwise until it snaps to the correct spot. Secure it by the safety nut. Then perform the same action on the side of the compressed air generator. Slowly and carefully open the air valve. Connect the blasting hose and tighten the joint with the 24 fork wrench. Connect the pneumatic coupling for gun control. Never tighten this bolted joint with a wrench. Connect the electric connector black and turn it clockwise until it snaps. Install the jet to the gun body. The machine is ready to be switched on. Correct sequence of connecting is important. Make sure that you always connect the terminal to the device first, and then to the source of electricity or air. Before start of blasting, always use protective means. Start with locking off the emergency button. Continue with pressing the main switch button for activating the device. Set the required value of working air pressure from 1 to 10 bar. In case of IC030 device, you may work with 3 mm pellets of dry ice, as well as with a smaller fraction. By means of the control regulator, you can set consumption of dry ice in the fraction. Clockwise from 0, work consumption of 3 mm pellets. Activate the trigger on the blasting gun for several seconds so that the air can flow through the system. If necessary, use the integrated lighting on the gun. Then you can fill the hopper with the dry ice pellets. The device is now ready for application. Turn off the air on the side of the generator. After each safe completion of the operation, check emptying of the reservoir so that it is without any dry ice residues. Blow out excessive air and condensate through the blasting gun. Turn off the device with the main switch button. Return the consumption regulator to the position 0 and press the emergency button. Disconnect the supply cable from the power source. Disconnect the black connector blasting hose by means of the 24 fork wrench and also the pneumatic coupling. Put aside the blasting hose. Disconnect the supply cable from the device, blue connector, and continue with disconnecting the air hose. The hoses shall be disconnected in the same way as when connecting them. Note, the sequence is important. Always disconnect the device from the supply network first, and only then disconnect the hose connectors from the device. The machine for dry ice cleaning is now safely turned off.